Today's video is an insurance primer. Think of it as Introduction to Insurance 101. Picture this. Disaster strike, say a fire, legal action, theft, or an automobile accident. In this case, you will need assistance recovering loss through a financial safety net. That safety net in this scenario is the purpose of insurance. So what is insurance? Insurance is a mean of protection for financial loss, in which in exchange for a fee, a party, the insurance company, agrees to guarantee another party, that is you, compensation in the event of a certain loss, damage, or injury. That's all legalese to say it's a form of risk management, primarily used to hedge against the risk of a contingent or uncertain loss. So what type of insurance is there? We have both individual insurance and business insurance. First, let's discuss individual insurance. We have automobile insurance. Now, car insurance is the most popular type of insurance purchased by Americans. Car insurance is mandated by all states, even if it's a small amount of liability coverage. The standard policy for car insurance includes liability protection, which covers your personal harm and property protection, any medical costs incurred during the accident, and automobile damage and loss, such as collision insurance, and legal expenses due to litigation. Second, we have life insurance. The primary purpose of life insurance is to pay out upon your death. There's two types of life insurance: term insurance and permanent insurance. Term insurance strictly pays out on death, period. One type of permanent insurance is referred to as whole life. It's a combination of term insurance, which pays out upon your death, and a savings plan or annuity, which pays you money at retirement. Realize that the payments for a whole life policy are sometimes 10 times as much as term insurance, because you're actually putting the money away in a savings plan. Let's talk about health insurance. It covers the expense of hospitalization, including surgery, medical visits to your doctor or a referred specialist, and prescription medications. Many businesses offer their employees health insurance coverage as a benefit. Next is disability insurance. This is often referred to as long-term disability and covers you for extended sickness, such as cancer or a debilitating disease, or if you cause injury at work. Next, we have homeowners insurance, which is loss at home due to fire, theft, etc. But you need to be realized that not all risks are covered. You'll pay extra for flood or hurricane insurance. And you need to be aware of actual versus replacement costs. If everything in your house is old, the actual cost would be the cost of something used, whereas replacement cost would replace everything in your house as if it would be new. Next, we have liability insurance. You need to expect to be sued at some point in your life. This is just the fact of being an American. And it's usually purchased as an umbrella policy on your homeowner's insurance, costing hundreds of dollars a year versus $100 a month. Next, we have business insurance. Now, many of the types of business insurance are the same as individual insurance, such as auto, except it's for your car used as business purposes, property, which covers your office, not your home, and liability. Remember, we live in a litigious society. Workers' compensation protects against accidents on the job for employees. And malpractice insurance covers doctors, lawyers, accountants, and consultants. We also have business interruption insurance, which is when a problem happens at work, such as loss of power or a flood or something, which causes your business to shut down and not be able to operate. This would cover the costs of that loss of operation and any lost profits because you're not producing products. So who needs insurance, you might ask? Well, obviously those who want to minimize risk. But what is risk? What types of insurance would cause people to need to cover their risks? Well, if you want to pay off your mortgage and the college for your children if you die, then you need life insurance. If you don't want to be bankrupt as the outcome of a severe illness or disease such as cancer, then you need health insurance. And if you want to maintain a standard of living, even if everything is lost in a fire, then you need homeowners insurance. So did you find this video useful? Then help us feed the YouTube algorithm. Smash that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we're publishing new videos every day and answering the frequently asked questions about insurance. And to be notified of that new video, ring the bell. Thanks, and have a great day.